Hello, my name is Mai. I'm a White Tiger Qigong instructor. Today I'll introduce Tiger from our 5-element Qigong. The movement gently massages the organs, helping release stored emotions and supporting physical and mental balance. Tiger Qigong is associated with the metal element and works with the lung meridian, helping to restore dignity, integrity, and healthy self-esteem. Let's start warming up. Shake your arms and legs. Turn your palms inward and move your arms up and down. Palms facing out. Shake quickly. Then hold Qi. Take a cleansing breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Relax your neck, shoulders, and chest. Release your arms. Exhale, chest in. Tuck your hips. Inhale, tailbone back and look up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale, come back. Keep your spine long and stretch your eyes. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale, palms up. Flip at the chest. Exhale, hip back. Soften your knees and hold your elbows. Inhale, roll up. Exhale, hip forward and open your chest. Slowly come back. Inhale from your feet. Exhale, reach out. Inhale, stretch your spine. Exhale, relax your shoulders. Inhale and open your chest. Exhale, hug yourself. Lift your heels up, then let them drop. Inhale, relax your shoulders. Exhale, relax your chest. Inhale, bring your hands in front of your eyes. Exhale, brush the back of your hands over your lap. Inhale, gather chi. Exhale, bring chi down to your dantian. Let's go through the tiger form step by step. Make your hands into tiger claws. In the horse stance, press both palms forward. Circle hands outwards, then pull toward your shoulders. From under the shoulders, press back and flex your wrists. Circle the hands out and bring them all the way to the front. Then pull them back to your shoulders again. Repeat. Exhale, chest in, tuck your hips. Inhale, open your chest and extend your tailbone back. Exhale, lower your tailbone. Inhale, open your chest and tailbone back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's start from the opening. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, step out and make tiger claws. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's close. Step in. Release hands and exhale. Inhale, gather energy. And exhale, bring chi down to your dantian. Thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful day.